What's up guys, this is web investigation and new ideas. Alright, and today I'm going to teach you how you can run the Android application into your computer. It is a very simple method to tell you the tutorial, to go to the tutorial and tell you the information how you can run your Android application into your computer. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to get the more updates of my videos. So guys, let's come to the point. Everybody wants to run the Android application. It seems like a student, the parents cannot provide you that specification mobile phone in which you cannot have the hardware. You can say that it's not it's specified to run that application. It seems like you can have a first-person game. They have some requirement to run on it, like 3 GB RAM require and then some kind of storage going on. So like what you can do, the parents allow you to have the computer and you can easily run the Android application into your computer with the help of the software, which is KoPlayer. Alright, we already test this player. This is so amazing, so simple to use, so simple to download it. Alright, and once you are here on the website, for the more information for the mobile app, like you can see the apps. They can also provide you the app as well. Press the download it button, and then after that once you download it, because I'm already downloaded, let me show you, give me a second. Alright, so as you can see right now, yeah, so I'm already downloaded that player, and you know what, it's already installed to my system. Let me tell you, let me go ahead and pull up the details. Give me a second. So let me show you the surface to you. Alright, give me a second. They are asking for my email address to go ahead for the further user. Let me go ahead and log in into my account. Give me a second, it's almost done. All right. So it's working probably fine. Give me a second. All right. Alright, so that is the interface as you can see right now. Something I want to install, just go to the Play Store and download the video. As I can see right now, this is a APK file. It seems like you can have an Android phone into your system. You can drag, drop anywhere, and you can run any of the applications through that KoPlayer software, which is an emulator of Android. Alright, so guys, for the further details, if you still have any confusion going on, you can ask with me in the comment section. Alright, and the details regarding the website, regarding the player, I can share the website into my description, and you can get the details for that. And if in case you cannot understand something, you can, to be honest with you, you can simply just put a comment, and I can, as soon as I can reply it, and I can solve it for you. Alright, so as I told you, if you like our video, so hit the like button. Alright, and also like leave a valuable comment for us, plus subscribe my channel and hit the like button to get the more updates. Alright, have a great day.